Another surface and shader is a galaxy. The galaxy, it's in black and white code that has an animation. I think no, it does not have animation, but it creates something like this. If it has a frequency, it has it's a black and white code that you can assign to the displacement or a bump. The white part are top, and with the gray going to the black part that is at the bottom, and to create a bumpy shape. Its angle, you can change the angular shape of galaxy, and from spiral arm you can add them a spiral arm to just 10 or 0, something like that. These are arms. You can create the arms. No, it doesn't have animation. This is black and white, or of course you can assign another color to that as you wish for texture that you want to assign, but it's very useful if you want to assign to the displacement or other channel. Let's clear that and go to other shader.